let's go to the GitHub and log in with your credential. After that, we're gonna create the project. In my case, I'll just create JTF2 demo. So click on this icon, which is the create icon. Let's create it, and we'll just give the name of the GitHub repository. So JTF2 demo. Once we have done that, we'll just make it public, so everything should be alright. Let's create the Git repo. Yeah, now we have the Git repo. So once the Git repo is created, we just need to execute this command. So let's go to our shell. Over here, let's go to the project folder. Let me check. Yeah, we are inside the inside our shell project repo. So git init. Let's go to .ssh, and then let's create the SSH key. So SSH key gen -d RSA, and the command should be US for web 364 @gmail.com. Okay, so let's give the name with git RSA. So we don't want password. Okay. Once this is created, we want the public key to be stored on the GitHub so that it can talk with the GitHub. So let's copy the public key, cat git RSA pub with the bb copy. Okay, now let's go to the GitHub and click on the settings, this setting. Okay, and SSH keygen, and add the key. So let's say git key, git new key. Okay, so paste it and just add key. Once the key is added, we need to test it whether it's working or not. So before testing, let's add it on the SSH key. SSH add git RSA. So identity will be added. Now let's test it. SSH -t git @github.com. It's successfully added. Now we can communicate with the GitHub very clearly. So you can see it, like we can easily communicate with the GitHub. Let's go to our project. So cd www.zf2 demo. We have already initialized it. Now we need to set the URL, remote URL on this project. So let's set that remote URL. We'll just get like, okay, this is the remote URL to be set. So just copy it and then paste it. So get remote URL is set. So once this been set, let's commit everything. So git git add dot will add everything. So git git commit -m comment commit. Okay, it's been commit. Now I want to show you one thing. if you see it over here, nothing is there. So now we want to push our local file system to our newly created git repo. Let's push it. So git push ste or master. So it should push everything. You can see it. um, just wait for a while. Now it pulls everything. At this point we have successfully make the connection and make the communication with the GitHub account. Let's try to do some small git command. uh, so for this, let's try to start with creating, deleting and small stuff. So let's go to the cell prompt. Let's say you delete one file. So let's try to delete git. you, you can see one file is deleted. If you do ls, there is like no file. So let's try to recover that file. So git check out .php. So this is like when the local version get deleted and not committed on the staging of the local version. So let's try to delete and commit it and then recover from the initial. So let's get started. So rm git commit minus a means you don't need to add, it will add automatically. Minus m it init deleted. So at this point on our main master repo on the GitHub account, it's there, but on our local it's committed. So if we try to execute the same previous command, it won't recover because we have already committed and it shows the error. So in order to recover this kind of file, uh, let's do the git log. So there are like these and this. So we want to recover it from this snapshot. So git checkout, just copy anything like up to here, copy up to 5 character will be enough, and then name of the file we want to recover, copy and paste it. See, now this file get recovered. So not only this, but we can create the branch and do more stuff on the git. Like it's on your own, like how to explore the git and take the full advantage